Importing floor plans. Importing architectural floor plans gives you the perfect foundation for layout planning. Such data mostly are given as CAD files. Select Import from the System menu on the left and import the CAD file. An Import Assistant will appear on the right. The drawing usually appears immediately. If not, the scale may be incorrect. This means that the drawing is either too small or too large. In the latter case, it helps to zoom out. When adjusting scale, look at the black tooltip. It shows whether you're enlarging X to 1 or reducing 1 to X. For this architectural plan, we will adjust the scale 1 to 10. Use doorways as reference points, since their standard size and the grid in the background are both 1 meter wide. Comparing these helps to verify you've scaled correctly. Now click Apply to import the file. After importing, you should definitely check a known dimension to make sure that everything has been scaled correctly. Now let's take a look at the object properties. Select the CAD floor plan and go to Properties. Here you can hide unnecessary layers such as the foundation. You can always reveal them later if needed. Something important to mention: hiding layers will not fix performance issues. The vertices count in the info section is a good indication on how complex your CAD file is. Keep it under 10,000 points for smooth operation. If necessary, delete excess elements in the CAD software first before importing it to ensure a better performance. For organization purposes, create dedicated layers when importing multiple files. Finally, lock the object layer to prevent accidental moves. Remember, clean CAD files mean faster planning. Import only what you need, organize it properly, and your layouts will stay responsive.